In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trending effect in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is fully loaded, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you want to add the effect. If you're starting fresh, just begin a new project. If you already have a video in progress, open that project so you can continue editing right away. Next, add a video to the timeline. This is important because effects need to be applied to a clip in your project. Once your video is placed in the timeline, you're ready to move into the effects section and start customizing the look of your footage. From the top toolbar, click on Effects. This will open the effects library, where CapCut organizes different visual enhancements you can apply to your clips. When the panel opens, make sure that Video Effects is selected. This is the correct section for adding visual effect overlays to your video. After that, click on the Trending category. This section highlights popular effects that are commonly used and currently in style, so it's a great place to find something eye-catching quickly. Give CapCut a moment to load the trending effects. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may take a few seconds. Once the effects are visible, browse through the available options carefully. As you look through them, think about the mood or style you want for your video. Some trending effects are bold and dramatic, while others are subtle and polished. When you find a trending effect you want to use, select it. If the effect has not been downloaded yet, click the download icon first. Then wait for the download to complete before moving on. This step is necessary because CapCut needs the effect files stored locally before it can apply them to your project. After the download finishes, click the plus button on the effect. CapCut will then add the effect to your timeline. Wait a moment for it to appear, and once it does, you'll know it has been inserted into your project successfully. Now look over at the preview window to check how the effect appears on your video. To see it in motion, click the play button and watch the preview. This gives you a clear sense of how the trending effect interacts with your footage and whether it fits the style you want. If you can see the visual change during playback, that confirms the trending effect has been successfully applied. And that's how to add a trending effect in CapCut Desktop.